My name is Anuragha, and my first year at Cook Central College. Here I am with my psychological presentation. My main topic is learning. I have two articles, one upon non-experimental and one upon experimental. So, non-experimental, if I talk about non-experimental, difference between both experimental and non-experimental. Experimental is an experiment where the labs and researchers are included, but in non-experiment, labs and research are not included. Experimental is a study, and it is study where a researcher controls the situations, variables, and if cause effect relationship. But non-experiment do not include labs and experimental. It is a study, and by the researcher, variable manipulating them do not have non-experimental do not have random assignments. So next I have my main topic is learning, as I further mentioned that. But now I have my program background of the parental guidance of different culture by to their infants. As we all know, parents play very vital role in their children life. So if I talk about the guidance of parents of different culture to the children lives. If I talk about the children's if I talk about the children, nowadays they have very less knowledge about the cultures. So the main aim of this study is the parental guidance. So it this show the premature the parent guidance. The culture have different beliefs, norms, and rituals. The main aim of this study is to provide knowledge about the different culture and perspective of beliefs. The parents includes all the emotional, social, and physical, psychological aspects of the children only depend on the parents. Culture indicates the different beliefs, norms and rituals. The main aim of this program is the parental guidance to their offsprings. Premature time is the time of children where they learn all about the culture and beliefs of learning. Next, I have the research method. Here I go with the three different types of parental guidance. One is authoritative, alternative, and permissive. One different have culture A, culture B, and culture C. I have these three, and different by the different numbers, respondents value x-axis and y-axis. These all include how offsprings learn about the different culture by their parents. These numbers show variation among them. So next I have the issues. This program also has different kinds of issues. If I talk about the issues is very serious, and furthermore, the issue mainly affect their relationship and their bond. If nowadays it is very generally and commonly see that the families have different culture and different perspective. Father and mother do not belong to same culture nowadays. Some father belongs to Western and mother belong to other culture. This may create and this may develop conflict among them, parents and their children. They may get confused and become emotionally weak. This affect their relationship bond. Racial and ethnic discrimination also plays very vital role in this program. In this study, social interactions also affect the same lack of confusion among them. If a parents have different rituals and different beliefs, it may create some fights and conflicts among them, which is not safe for their bond and relationship. This may affect their physical, social, and emotional situation. If parents and if infants may get confused about the in which cause a relationship with a different. Next, I have a theory. I have ecological theory. The theory mainly explains the development in influence layer of surroundings and the micro from the microsystem and the myrosystem. So between these infants and children, the parent guidance has different types of layers. One is the permissive, authoritative, and authoritarian. So each style has different aspects and different benefits. So parental guidance generally works on uh, different kinds of learning and different types of culture and beliefs. Next is hypothesis. If I talk about the hypothesis, caregivers may bold variables, cultures, beliefs, and specifically exempt and the neglected learning way of development. Hypothesis may include multicultural. Multicultural means that the family and parents belongs to different culture. It may include the different. It may creates the conflict. The main reason is conflict. This is the main reason that affect their relationship and bond. Author background. The author background. Article is mainly written by Bang Hua. So that is psychological professor, education PhD, university. This professor mainly tells about the aspects of learning by the parental guidance to their offspring. It may have different kinds of results. Parent individual author is the mainly infants generally provide outcome and better academically by higher expectation to by the parents infants. So next, if I now I would like to talk about my experimental research. Experimental, I have article on experimental. So here I go with the experimental, that is proactive and the reactive constitutive experimental. If I go with this background information includes different kinds of information. So proactive is known as that is the action that is take by premature preparation for any task, that is called proactive control. It includes maintaining the challenges and different tasks in their life, utilizing before potential guidance. So while the reactive cognitive, it is defined as by the that action that take place before the fight. That is called reactive cognitive. It prepares potential fights, variation, reactive controls in their more proactive. Research method. I have research method. One is low stress and one is high stress. Research method have different kinds of number. One is proactive conservative control. That is one is reactive conservative control. I have issues. Also have different kinds of issues. One is a proactive and reactive control. Theoretically different from occur in a have become difficult in separating and study them as a mechanism. Participation related issue challenges with a high consonantive requirement result in participants tiredness, especially exposed population. The main author of this is Broxy Nalocious. That is Affluent University of Manitoba. Theory, data has different kinds of theory. The main theory is the Stroop effect fights. The Stroop effect fights. This is very important theory in this article. The theory includes consonantive demonstrate highlights of the connection between the consonantive process stroke at the different kind of name of the color that is red, but it indicates in black. That is Stokes hypothesis theory, conservative hypothesis. This I also have hypothesis. People who infants proactive and control with the lower approval charities performance compared with the different controls. I have different kind of references. This is my experimental and non-experimental researches on learning topic. I have different kind of this is topic mainly I have cited from different kind of references, different kind of websites. And this have only two authors. One is Wang Suhua and other is Broxy Nachosius. So thank you for this presentation. Thank you.